So as I was saying, once we have that in place, and we can also copy that and add here, instead of title this time, it's going to be let's call it overview. Then this should, let's confirm what it looks like here. Overview, the rating. Okay, for the card it's just rating. So changes to rating. Vote average, votes count. This should be the vote average. Yeah. Then the language. Sorry, vote average. Vote average. Then English, the language. Original language. And this, we have what? Release date. Release date. So to some of it, we just add the star language. So language, then released. So that makes it as the movie card. Okay. I think there's a condition making this not to function properly. So let's go to the movies list. Okay, if result. So we are still getting the placeholder instead of the result. So let's be sure let's be sure things are being passed to it correctly. Movies. Let's try to see the length of movies. H1. Movies. Dot length. Result dot length. Be sure. Okay, it means it is not being fetched. That's what it means. There is no length here. And if we bring it up, you should see the length somewhere. Okay, we want to still get the length. Okay, 20. It's giving us a length of 20. So if result that length is this. And we're actually getting the backdrop. We're also getting what? Okay, the placeholder are the things. So we need the placeholders are only for we're only needing the placeholders when we actually using a placeholder. You know, we copy the file from the placeholder file. So that's where it's coming from. Now if we save and refresh, we'll get get the items and their names. So what we'll do here after will be ensuring we size the items. So that's CSS straight. That's strictly CSS related stuff. So let's fetch that of CSS and ensure we get it done. So let's just add the styling to the movies list. I think we're missing some styles here. Or do we have all the styles? Okay, let's go to the card and make sure for the movies list. Let's see the movies list to be sure. We have no CSS. As I said in the previous video, I won't be touching more on CSS in this particular video. Hope subsequent videos will touch CSS, but you could also use a front-end UI library or package, that is framework, to do what you want to do. So this is what the style looks like. So I'm scrolling so you can actually see everything. And with this in place, the style should be fixed. So let's now preview. Okay, you can see it's actually there. And we've been able to achieve that. So with this in place, as you can see, with this in place, we have the movies working. So let's remove the header. The title, what we added to the movies list at the top. Let's remove it. This header one. And we have a full blown system here. So what else we need to add will be to add this feature which you see here. Look at it, the upcoming, popular, now playing, rated, and all of that as you're changing. Okay, now for us to do that, it should be at the top of this. So it should look something like this because of the CSS class that we're working with too. And we should put it in this place so that if we have result return, we should then display that. Okay, let's take it to the desktop. Yeah, there is a reason I'm doing this. So let's do div here. Div dot. The class should be movie. Div dot movie. Div dot movie. Movie. Okay. So we're using should be. Oh, sorry, it shouldn't be here. Shouldn't be here. It should be in the explore page, at the explore page. So yes, this is it, what we had commented the first time. So let's try to just put this. Let's remove this. We'll come back to this later. And the click, let it not do anything when we click. And this class, let it just remain active. Active.